it's such a minimal design. When you look at it, there's only 6 pieces. But within those 6 pieces, we've managed to contain all the parts that form a standard case, or the framework or the construction of the piece, but it also includes feet. And you have to ask yourself, well, was that a clever move really to make the feet an addition, because they're only going to be, wherever there's a joint, there's a possibility of weakness, and you're introducing a fracture point. Go back, just keep that front bit going, and it's not until you've gone all the way down, maybe just concentrate and keep that saw upright. Yep, that thumb. That's about as much as I'm going to get out of that, I think. The obvious thing to do is to drill this at a nice straight angle, isn't it? We're actually going to do that. And the next hole is going to be like that. I would turn the box round. There you go. That's it. We'll find you a straight fella to
Sit down. We have.
Yeah, good. Yes, yeah. Just to prove that I've actually been here, I haven't just been down there to visit.